Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show to create a video using online tool. Here you can go and type Lumalabs AI. This one is a very useful tool that lets you create AI images, videos and many more. So first of all we need to create a free account. You can create your account with Apple and your Gmail account. Scroll down and click here continue button. Okay, now account is created. Click here start a board. Then you can type anything here. For example, let me type create a video for flying taxi. Then after that here you can upload your images for the suggestion. Then click here this button. Now here you can see it has started working on it. And here you can see video is ready. You can view this video in full screen. After that you can easily export this video by clicking on this button. In this way you can easily create a video using this